video of our 8-ton Denison machine 5358, currently wired 480 volts. And during setup on our inch mode, you'll just use that handle and crank it down. That'll allow you to set your limits. It'll also allow you to set your tonnage. Push the gauge. There's a gauge button. You can see we're full pressure. There's the gauge button and also your adjustment. Now we'll crank it back up. Turn it over to single or cycle. Comes down. If you let go, we have to make a bar still. But when you make the limit, it'll return. And that's a video of our 8-ton Denison machine 5358.